everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the tap step called the Riffle. So the Riffle, it starts from that basic riff, okay? But it's kind of like a variation on a riff, or it branches off from the riffs. So it's like a 3-count riff where you're going to go step, scuff, heel. So it has 3 sounds, but instead of going forward and continuing forward and doing a heel drop, you're going to start with that step, scuff, and then instead of going the heel drop, you're going to pull your toe back in a brush. Okay, so you're going to go step, scuff, brush. Right? So 3 sounds, right? 1, 2, 3, but instead of going forward, you're pulling it back. Okay, once these get faster, they look a lot better, and they're much more fun to do. Once you start them slow, they're a little wonky, they're a little weird. So let's keep practicing them nice and slow. Step, scuff, brush. Again. Okay, once you start getting those, you can go a little faster with them. More fluid motion. Step, scuff, brush, nice and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then once you get them nice and fast, they should sound like this. It's almost like a shuffle, if you took a shuffle, but you put a scuff in them, right? Okay, so trying some on the left side now. 3 counts, step, scuff, a little bit faster, and a little bit faster. Ooh, that last one was bad. There, nicely done. Once I start doing these faster, instead of doing very straight, I tend to start to use the inside of my foot, right along that metal piece, the inside. Yeah? It's just a fun way to kind of mix it up a little bit. Instead of getting a very sharp step, scuff, brush, you can get a nice kind of heavier sound, a thicker sound. Yeah, it's just a fun way to play with it. Same thing on the left. Okay, all right, nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.